Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q7 gas tank. To begin, locate the fuel door release button inside your vehicle's cabin, typically near the driver's seat or on the dashboard. Once you find it, press the button firmly. You should hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. Then, simply push the fuel door gently to fully open it and access the fuel cap. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. If the electronic release doesn't work, your Audi Q7 has a manual override. Head to the trunk and look for a small access panel or cubby hole, usually on the right side, near the fuel door. Inside, you'll find a red release lever or cable. Gently pull this lever to manually unlatch the fuel door. This is a handy backup if you encounter any issues with the primary system. Sometimes, a fuel door might not open due to simple reasons. First, check for any debris or ice around the fuel door that could be jamming it. Next, confirm that your Audi Q7 is fully unlocked. The fuel door is often linked to the central locking system. If the issue persists, a quick lock and unlock cycle with your key fob might reset the mechanism. After refueling, gently push the fuel door until it clicks securely into place, ensuring it's fully closed. For optimal function, regularly clean the area around the fuel door hinge to prevent dirt buildup. This simple maintenance helps keep the mechanism smooth. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. For a great scent, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Keeping your car well-maintained and smelling great makes every drive better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.